y'all, welcome to my channel. So as you can see today, I'm trying this hair paint wax that I have right here. I got the color orange, and I already of course washed, deep conditioned my hair, and I already did my wash and go, and I did it with the Dew Foamy Mousse, and then I used the TGIM buttercream. So for this last step in my wash and go, I'm gonna put this in. I haven't even opened it yet, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair back in these sections. And I wish I just would have went ahead and did it as I was putting the foam and the cream in my hair. I wish I would have just went ahead and did it all at one time, but I didn't. So I'm doing it now. So I've got about this much, and like really I don't even know how much to put in, like, because I've never done this before. And the last time I had like any kind of color in my hair was like in high school, but that was like, I think it was like permanent dye, not like this waxy stuff. So I hope it turns out okay. So I'm almost done right now, and it seems like, you know, it's orange, but it does dry down like kind of brown, like more brown, which is what I wanted. And like any pieces that I see like this, like really thick or anything like that, I'm just trying to smooth it out so I'll have like a more even color. But so far, I think it's looking pretty decent. Okay, I think I'm done now. And I haven't decided if I want to let my hair air dry or if I should sit like under my hooded dryer. I don't know, like, but I don't know. So I think I'll probably just do what I usually do. Like, I usually like sit under my hooded dryer for like 10 to 15 minutes, and then I just let, let it air dry like the rest of the way. So I'll probably do that this time too. So since I'm all done now, like, this is how it looks wet. So I will come back when my hair is dry. So y'all, this is the finished result. Like, don't pay attention to my wash and go because like it's trash. Like, it don't look good. But yeah, as far as the color goes, like, I felt like I had to keep putting it on like over and over and over, and I felt like my hair was just like eating it up. Like, I did add some more once my hair did dry. Right now it's like 90% dry. So I added some more after my hair dried a little bit. So I could see it a little bit more now. And I think it looks okay. Like, I don't think I'd ever try it again. Like, I think maybe just like brown maybe doesn't fit like me or my skin tone, or just, I don't know what it is, or maybe it's the wash and go, because like if the wash and go ain't right, like nothing ain't gonna be right. And like, I don't really like this because this time I used foam and cream, but it's like I said, it's not about the wash and go, it's just about the color. So as far as the color goes, like I said, it looks okay. Let me try. I'm just trying to get it up close. So that's how it looks. You can kind of see like little like pieces of orange. So like when you put it in, or before you put it in, it is like orange, and then when you like rub it in your hair and it kind of dries down, then it dries down like kind of brown, which is what I wanted because I didn't know that. So that's what I wanted, and it does look, like I said, it looks decent, but I don't think I'd ever try this color again because like I said, it, I don't know. Maybe, I don't know. But anyway, let me know what y'all think in the comments, or if you've ever tried this before, or if you have any tips or anything like that. Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.